Welcome back. We're live at Volcano Valley for a steamy tournament of Titans.
She could erupt any second. Stay back and stay alert.
I don't want to become a fossil!
Lava balls incoming!
And now for our first matchup. Attitude.
Both were good over the volcano, but Shark Reek have too much speed and wiped off, and Bad Catitude moves on.
Apart!
Toke Terror is a early lead in flying out, and 5 Alarm gets bigger air in the finish line.
Coming in hot.
And we're on to
Ratchel Racer has the lead, but he wipes out and Bone Shaker moves on in the next round.
Smash!
Rhinomite! Loco Punk!
Choo Choo all abroad. Rhinomite dunks Loco Punk into the volcano, and Rhinomite
Finish line!
Horns up.
Piranha! Mega Red!
photo finish, and yes, Mega Rex wins by a tooth, and Piranha coming up straight away. Roger Dodger tumbling down the volcano, and Race Ace moves on.
Challenge accepted.
No derby.
Weiler!
Oh no, Hot Weiler messing up. He jump and Demo Derby rumbling in front of Lovey fans.
Like a stolen!
Jesse Snapper!
Bigfoot.
Both are good, but Bigfoot wipes out, and Chassis Snapper tumbled to round 2.
Wrapping up the victory.
On to
Try not to explode before the finish line!
The finish line. Don't call for help.
Super stunt bad catitude landing on for foot and 5 alarm rumbling and tumbling down into the semifinals.
Coming in hot.
And we're on to row. The volcano is erupting. Watch out for the flying lava balls. Ah!
Have an A, mate?
Oh yeah! Feel the burn!
Rhino-mite.
Both flying off the ramp and over the volcano, and Rhino-mite will be eliminated from racing tournament in Bone A. Shaker moves on.
Smash! I want Titan Cup! This race mine!
This jump is a daredevil's dream! I'm not losing!
Go big, go high!
What a great jump race ace. Good jump over the volcano and Mega Rex wrecking out.
Accepted!
You ready to get demolished? I can hear your bones rattling from here.
We'll see who comes out on top.
Chassis Snapper takes a bite of lava balls and Demo Derby moves on.
Like a stolen!
For the semifinals. Oh no, a steam vent has appeared. That looks hot.
Haha, you'll feel right at home inside that volcano.
You may be the bravest, but I am the greatest!
Oh wow, 5 alarm kicks Bone Shaker into the volcanic eruption and 5 alarm races to the championship.
Into the finals.
Coming in hot.
Take down.
You ready to get demolished? I can hear your bones rattling from here.
Oh, Demo Derby flying in the volcano and race ace meets 5 alarm into the championship race.
Challenge accepted.
To the championship. Our trucks have launched over the volcanic steam and dodged lava bombs. But it all comes down to this. Who will erupt into the Titan Cup? Someone call for help. This truck is burning up the competition. One Titan Cup at a time. Give it up for 5 Alarm. He's the ultimate daredevil who always goes big and never goes home. This champ invented first place. It's Race Ace.
And 5 alarm wins. Let's see the tape. 5 alarm and race ace lunch over volcano, but it's 5 alarm wins.
I win!
Great race, 5 Alarm! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Hey, 5 Alarm, you really crushed it out there today. How'd you do it?
You could say I burned up the competition today. I know how to handle the heat under pressure, and I got the job done.
It's an eruption of monster trucks! Don't touch the lava! Oh dear, this isn't going to end well. Great balls of fire! Well, that's all for today, truck fans. Catch us next time on the Tournament of Titans.